I've been searching for the answer. Hey, let's go. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, 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 it's a vibe, man. What up, what up, what up, what's good, Lucas Benz? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka Power and Papi. I'm out here reviewing Afrobeats, Afropop, Nigerian music. Let's go, let's get it, okay? But nonetheless, as we get into this video, man, Onyeka by Burna Boy is what we're listening to, or what we're viewing rather. This is the second Burna related content that we're recording in the span of like, say, 12 hours. Like, my guy, like, it's crazy, sha. But nonetheless, man, we're gonna do it. It's Onyeka. Onyeka is one of the very, very romantic moments on the Twice as Tall album. Like, Twice as Tall didn't really have that romantic message initially, but this was one song that tackled that, and it makes sense to be dropping the visuals for it very close to Valentine's Day, you know. And it makes sense, it makes sense. I'm looking forward to the visuals for this one. Without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it, shall we? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Burna. Oh my, this is like Ghana, man. This is Ghana, this has to be Ghana. Oh, I love this. It reminds me of, what's it called, video? On the Low as well. Kind of like having a solo moment with another dancer. I like that setting when he does that. I mean that setup. Hey. He said no be me do I da. Hello. Hey, sample. Oh, this is a vibe, this is a vibe, this is a vibe, this is a vibe. I've been searching for the answer. Hey, let's go. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, 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 it's a vibe, man. It's a vibe, let's go. Oh man, I am like, bro, this song, I forgot how, like, this song is hard, bro. This song, yo, I forgot how hard this song goes, man. Those drums, the entire setting right now, man. I love this shot right here, man. I love this shot right here. He's giving me that Pablo Escobar kind of feeling, you know, like that grainy texture as well, man. It's mad, it's mad. Melanated, I love it. We love to see it. We love to see melanated models, man. Let's do it. This is Ghana, man. You can tell. Hey, hey. Nah, this is gorgeous, man. This is gorgeous. Hey. Better slow down before Steph will come from. Hey. I love this dance break. Let's go. Yo, Tails, come on. Come on. Hey. Hey, hey. Come on, come on. Nah, this is a vibe. Still. Oh my, the fits are nice too, man. Man. Hey. Come on. This deserved a video. Makes sense. Look at Burna. What's the better to do, I beg? What's in your leg, my guy? Hello. Looks as if trailer jam for leg, man. That's mad. Almost like how many visuals has Burna dropped on Twice as Tall now? That's making it like 5. Wait, Onyeka, Monsters You Made, Wonderful, Real Life. He hasn't done Bank on It. He has done Way Too Big. That's 5. I want Bank on It. Make it 6, I beg. Yeah, I would love to see Bank on It. Let me guys know which other video you guys love to see. because I really love to see Bank on It. That was one of my favorite songs. If you haven't seen my top 50 songs of the year, definitely go check out my definitely go check out that video on my other channel. Yes, this was a definite mood. Like, it was just a vibe. The aesthetics were gorgeous. It met the setting that we wanted. A very romantic setting where you're going out in the city as well, very late at night. You can see how melanated it was, how colorful it was as well. Like, fam, it was a gorgeous video. It was an amazing one. Like, that was the vibe that we wanted. It just made sense. Very simple. Nothing too elaborate. Nothing too like there's no story or whatnot. Like, having gorgeous models around, having like people dancing and vibing, bro. That's all you need. That's the formula you need, man. And it just makes sense that he did that here. Almost reminded me of On the Low as well. Like, I just love that very tropical atmosphere, man. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Which other video would you love to see from Twice the Store? Or do you think that's it? Like, that is gonna cap it? Because I would love to see Bank on It, man. Bank on It would be a moment because it was an amazing closer. But let me know what you guys think about this particular one, Onyeka. You think it was boring? Do you think it was like too simple? You wanted more? You wanted story? You wanted plot? You wanted plot twist here and there? Like, that's if you want though. But let me know what you guys think about this one. As for me, it's amazing. It's gorgeous. It's very apt for the song. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely subscribe as well as always. Monthly playlist, link in the description. My other channel, link in the description. I've been your boy Emmanuel. Sign out to this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.